What if the difference between an ordinary life and an extraordinary life is hidden in the first hour of your day? What if the world's most successful people know something that most people ignore every single morning? According to Robin Sharma, the author of the 5 a.m. Club, success is not created by luck. It is not created by talent alone. And it is not created by waiting for the perfect opportunity. Success is created through daily habits. Small actions repeated consistently over time. And one of the most powerful habits of all is learning how to own your morning. The book begins with two struggling individuals. One is an entrepreneur whose business is falling apart. The other is an artist who feels lost and uncertain about the future. Both want a better life. Both know they are capable of more. But neither knows how to unlock their full potential. Then they meet a mysterious billionaire, a man who has achieved extraordinary success in business and life. Instead of teaching them complicated financial strategies or secret business techniques, he teaches them something surprisingly simple. Wake up at 5 in the morning. At first, the idea sounds ridiculous. Why would waking up earlier change someone's life? Most people believe success comes from working longer hours. The billionaire believes success comes from protecting the most important hour of the day, the first hour after waking up. He explains that while most people begin their mornings reacting to the world, highly successful people begin their mornings investing in themselves. Think about how many people start their day. The alarm goes off. They grab their phone. They check messages. They scroll social media. They look at notifications. Before the day has even started, their attention already belongs to everyone else. The billionaire argues that this habit slowly destroys focus, creativity, and productivity. Instead of controlling their day, people allow their day to control them. Successful people do the opposite. They create space. They create silence. They create time to think. And that time gives them an advantage over the majority of people. One lesson worth considering. Many people spend years searching for an additional source of income but never learn how digital products work. A digital product can be created once and sold repeatedly without inventory, shipping, or physical stock. If you're interested in learning how that works, you'll find a practical guide in the bio that explains the process step by step. Now let's continue. Robin Sharma introduces one of the most famous ideas in the book, the victory hour, the first 60 minutes of the day. According to the author, this hour has the power to transform your future. The average person wastes it. The successful person invests it. The victory hour is divided into 3 parts. The first 20 minutes are dedicated to movement, exercise, running, stretching, anything that gets your body moving. Why? Because movement changes your mental state. Exercise releases chemicals that increase energy, improve focus, reduce stress, and strengthen confidence. Many people wake up tired because they immediately become passive. But movement activates both the body and the mind. The second 20 minutes are dedicated to reflection. This includes meditation, prayer, gratitude, journaling, or quiet thinking. Most people rarely spend time alone with their thoughts. They move from one distraction to another. Reflection creates clarity, and clarity leads to better decisions. The third 20 minutes are dedicated to growth, reading books, learning new skills, listening to educational content, studying successful people. The idea is simple. If you improve yourself every morning, eventually your entire life improves. A few pages a day become dozens of books every year. A few lessons a day become valuable skills, and valuable skills create valuable opportunities. The billionaire explains that world-class performance is not created through dramatic changes. It is created through small improvements repeated every day. One better morning, one better day, one better week, one better month, and eventually, one better life. Most people underestimate what consistency can accomplish. They want immediate results. But extraordinary success is often invisible in the beginning. The person who reads every day doesn't become an expert overnight. The person who exercises every day doesn't become fit in a week. The person who builds a business doesn't become wealthy in a month. But over time, small improvements create extraordinary outcomes. This is one of the most important lessons in the 5 a.m. Club. Greatness is not an event. It is a process. And that process begins the moment you decide to take ownership of your mornings.